Hello. So, Luke has a rental property that has a couple units in it that he's redoing right now, and we are on our way to pick out some tile, a few doors, some vanities. What else are we getting?
Fuck, I don't remember.
A bunch of stuff. And I will show you guys the house later. But I thought I'd bring you along and show you the process. So that's what we're doing.
Yeah. All good? Doing well, yeah. I got a couple of cabinets for you.
How much are they? Yeah. Of course, we like the most expensive thing. Babe, what about this one? So I think we found one of the vanities.
Yeah, we did.
We went back to this guy.
I'm gonna put that in the small bathroom.
So this one's going in the small bathroom. So after all of that, we didn't find anything for the house. We got skunked. We thought we liked one of the vanities. They were out of that size, and it had like a giant crack in the bowl, and that's no good. So we're gonna keep looking.
That's all gonna go. It's the old upstairs one.
Mm-hmm.
This one's gonna. Lucky that light works. All those keys, and I just happen to pick the right one. Oh.
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it.
That kills me.
Well, I can try it and like at least keep the doors and stuff, but I think this needs to be a bathroom.
Don't have to be an acrobat. I wouldn't mind it.
You do?
Should I find it? All my life, it's been up and down, but always comes back to you. Didn't ask for anything.
So I'm gonna keep that, but
It seems too late. Love is strong, but something
It's gas.
I wanna pass on.
it's gas, yeah.
That's nice.
Ask for any favors. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that.
But then what I was thinking was like opening this like all the way up, high, and then putting the laundry in here. And then I'll draw over here to scale proper.
I rescue. I was caught up in your landscape. Oh, please tell me, now what am I supposed to do? I was caught up in your landscape. You don't know me the way that I know you. Tell me what you like. Please tell me what you like. There's nothing wrong with that.
So from the
We all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it. There's nothing wrong with that.
Hello, so it is the next day. We decided to take a day trip to Fort Worth. We're gonna go grab some really good barbecue right now and then see what else we get up to. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Okay, so apparently pickled beer is a thing. So we're gonna do a taste test. That is so weird. Here, taste it, taste it. It's so weird. It's so weird. Oh my god. Did I even vlog any of that? I don't think so. I was just enjoying it. Well, it is Sunday afternoon. Sorry about the lighting. But we are heading to some super good dim sum in a very unassuming spot. So I'm very excited and let's go eat. Here we go.
You're gonna get scone pancake.
Okay, I'm really excited for these dumplings though. What is it?
Chashu.